Here's a 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Behind the wheel of the Giulia, you experience the convergence of engineering and emotion. This world-class sports sedan delivers fun-loving driving dynamics showcased in undeniably hot-blooded package. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.